तो ही मिल गया।
Malaysia, peaceful country.
They can speak.
Not so much. Yeah, they can.
They get arrested. So it's
Yeah, we get permit.
And then, but this
Every day come here,
Yeah,
every day.
every day.
I went to the
Gurudev. No, it's okay. When Gurudev was walking, fishes jumping, following Gurudev.
What is Christopher? He is not coming?
I think she had some work, some case. Every day finishing very late. She'll come. Priya.
Who was that devotee you were thinking of that was bringing you fruit, Mara? Somebody, one Chinese devotee was bringing you fruit.
She was there yesterday.
Jay?
No. Lalita.
Lisa, this study is memory loss. Already lost. You know, this time she was speaking. But I did not see you, but the first thing you did. You told me. No, I'm supposed to listen.
Yesterday.
Kaji gini, rain comes. तो पूछो
You also can go back.
हाँ
Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Puri.
Jagannath Puri, Dwarka is the same, you know.
Badrinath also the same. These are the 5 places. Now is that helpful to the Jiva? That's one question. Number 2, when the Jiva leaves the world, after he leaves the world or she leaves the world, is there anything that the God brothers and sisters can do for Jiva in his journey after that? Like prayers. In
Physical body.
Hinduism, they do prayers every year or for the first month every day, and then every year they do prayers, Danam and all that. So is there use or not for Jiva?
No, you are talking about the which Jiva? Liberated soul or the conditioned soul?
Conditioned soul.
Baddha Jiva.
Conditioned soul.
Baddha Jiva.
Like us, we are not self-realized yet. We are still in the journey.
Baddha Jiva, your prayer no one to listen. Saranga Saranagati Hoive Jaha Tahara Prarthane Srinna Kumar. Baddha Jiva is that Lord is not listening his prayer. When one who completely surrender to Krishna, then will be listening. Otherwise not. And as like Brahmaji. Brahmaji prayed to Vishnu for 4 Kumaras.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Brahma is liberated person also. Brahma is not conditional soul, Baddha Jiva. Brahma is also liberated soul, Mukta Jiva. And he completely surrendered to Krishna, Vishnu. So for this guy, Vishnu listened his prayer and saved his 4 sons. Sanaksanandan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. They wanted to merge in Brahma. Then Lord Vishnu sent his very nice, beautiful, sweet fragrance of Tulasi Makaranta, which offered to the feet of Vishnu. Then 4 Kumaras, they returned back. So Brahma will be a Brahma liberated soul and completely surrendered to Krishna. So conditional soul, one conditional soul actually not really help to another conditional soul. They are suffering their own karma.
So whatever we do in this earth for Jiva souls we left, there's no use. We cannot.
Actually, we cannot help. But both are, they gave an example, both conditional souls sitting on the same boat. And boat is what? Sinking. Who helped to whom? Just embrace to each other. And both they are going to the
Drowning.
That is the thing. This is the thing. So prayer should be one person has to pray to Krishna and one who liberates Mukta Jiva. Then Lord will listen. Saranga Saranagati Hoive Jaha Tahara Prarthana Srinna Sarana Saranagata Jiva. If not Saranagata is doing it. This is the process. Are all conditional souls, all they are suffering for their own karma for. Understand? So, what you do? So, for this regard, you have to shelter this for liberated person, Mukta Jiva. Andha Jatenda Upanyamanas Devi Santra Udamni Baddha Nati Vidu Sattang Gatingi Vishnu Durasa Jay Bahirarthamani. Andha Jathanda Upanyamana Stepi Santra Udamni Baddha. Prahlad Maharaj quoted this verse. One blind man cannot lead the another blind man. Or if the one blind man lead the another blind man, both will be fall in the ditch. So this is the thing. So this is the thing. What will do? So your question is this way. Who help to whom? Liberty, Mukta Jiva. And how to know he is Mukta Jiva? How do you know? So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted one verse. Yaha jasya harer dasya karmana manasa gira nikhlasu abhavastitana jivan mukta sa uchyate. Jivan Mukta Jiva, which completely liberated person who lives in this material world, that the symptoms is there. You are the one who thinks I am completely, I am the servant of Krishna. You are the Harir Dasi. He is thinking I am the servant of Krishna, of Vishnu. You are the Harir Dasi. Karmana Manasa Gira, with his body, mind and speech, he serves to Krishna. That is called, he is called the liberated person. Mukta Jiva, this develops, is simple. So this verse is very important. Iho jasya harir dasi karmana manasa gira niklasya bhavasthanan jivan mukta saucha. So jivan mukta jeev can help to that. Otherwise nothing. That people are doing the karma kando. They are doing one the karma kando, same what is your rope and binding to each other. Yeah, just good karma, bad karma. Karma is also good karma or bad karma. Karma, by the performance of karma, you cannot liberate. Eh? So Srimad Bhagavad gives an example. If your what is called body contaminated with the mud, how to clean? Need which water? Clean water. A dirty water, if you clean, so what happens? Maybe little bit dirt going out. This is true. Too much mud, and take the muddy water and clean. But that is not clean, not proper clean. If you want to clean, your body need is what? Pure and clean water. Then these things also explains Bhagavatam also. Karma kanda this way, and muddy water and clean with the muddy water. So what is it? What benefit will you get? I tell you. This is Srimad Bhagavatam Gita. So karma kanda means this are things. And just as a lot of karma kanda, they are doing this. They are doing pindadan and many kinds of karma kanda. That is just as, again they also convert. Just one prisoner is going to one jail to another jail. Just this is what. He will not come free from the jail. Just going one jail to another jail. Maybe little bit get some facilities. This jail, not so much facilities. No bathroom. Another again, okay, bathroom and these things. But jail is you are not. In the same way, good karma kanda, doing this. So for this regard, Prahlad Maharaj recited this. Nati vidu sattam rutingi Vishnu durasa je bahirartha manino andha jatanda upanyamana stepi asantra kurudamani vaddha. One blind man cannot lead the another blind. And if they lead the so karma kanda, by the permission of karma, you will never free. Mukta nahi ho sakta. You cannot get the liberation. If you want to get the liberation, mukti, then this process is saying karma. So for the karma, with the practice of the gyan, collect the knowledge, you also not free. Karma kanda, gyan kanda, kevala visayar banda, amrit boliya je khai. नाना जोनी भ्रमी मरे कदर्ज भक्षण करे. Karma kanda, gyan kanda, the same things. Just little bit what is called. And one is called fire, bad smell water, or another little bit fresh water. Also both are also issues. So karma kanda, gyan kanda, kevala visayar bhanda. Amrit bolya ji, they think, oh, this is nectar I am drinking. Actually, this is all poison. Kadarja bhakshan kare, nana joni bhori brahmi maje. So same this. So one who praying to another, actually this is not. Karma is not going out. So bhakti, practice bhakti, then it will be. Without bhakti, you will not get the proper fruit also. Keval gyan dite nare mukti, bhakti bina. Without practicing bhakti, even Gyan will not give the fruits. Ravan, he was
Most good.
that is called best, that is called Gyani.
Yeah.
But his name in the list of demon.
Top.
Eh?
So,
Ravan, he was very sadachar. He is very good. Sometimes also saying, when Ramchandra had killed Ravana, Ravan fell down. That time Ravan, he told, hey Ram, I don't believe, before I did not believe you are Vishnu. Now I believe you are Vishnu. But though you are Vishnu, still I am thinking, he said, Ravan is saying, you are not higher than me. Why? Ravan, he told, you born in Kshatriya dynasty. Ramchandra, he born in Kshatriya dynasty. And Ravan, he born in Brahman dynasty. He is saying this. I have vast of knowledge. Jnana Bhandar. Or how much? Or you are wandering in the forest. Or I am the king of Lanka. All my people. But only one my thing is, my brother, he did not give me support to me. Or your brother Lakshman support you. Understand? This is it. So sometimes also saying this. Why all our Hindu dharma, Sanatan dharma degraded? Why? Because one Sanatan person, he also criticized to another Sanatan person. Not giving, not staying together. Do you understand? Not supporting to each other. For this red degree. Look this.
One brother against another
Eh?
brother.
Look this. If you use one slang words about the Islam, then all Islam would be united and attacked. Or Sanatani people, Hindus, they criticize to each other. Even the one Pandit criticizes to another Pandit, how they are stupid. You see this? Not this. Because everybody is a politician. This is true. If you speak one just any bad words to Islamic, what is that?
Muslim.
All whole world, all Islamic will attack you. Unity.
Unity.
Or one Hindu criticize to another. Every day he criticize each other. So for this, they are. So for this, are not they are developed. So Ravan, he told these things. My brother did not give support to me. So for this regard, I did.
So, Maharaj, all the fire sacrifices we do for those who leave the world, is
Me-
it helpful? Or?
He should do all the fire sacrifice. Which fire sacrifice? Vaishnav, for this regard, Gopal Bhatta Goswami mentioned Vaishnav Jagga. All our Vaishnav philosophy is saying this way. Jagga by Vishnu. Jagga by Vishnu. Jagga, this Shatri Devata is Vishnu. And Kormi, they also perform Jagga. But they also worship Vishnu. But they are thinking Vishnu Karmadhin. Karmadhin answer. Vishnu also completely what is called?
Bounds.
Controlled by karma. They are thinking this. Jagadharma explain this. So you see, this is the first or second chapter. They say this way. Viddha Vaishnava, and they call Suddha Vaishnava. Viddha Vaishnava means those who are karma kandya. They worship Vishnu. But they are thinking Vishnu is what is called?
Within the boundaries of karma.
Belongs karma ke dara adhin. They are thinking. And Vishnu also suffering his own karma power. But Gita Srimad Bhagavad Krishna what is it? Janma karma chame dibbang jubetti tattah. Krishna says, my all this activity, janma, take birth and everything is what? Dibbang translated. But those who are karma kandya Brahman, they not accept. They think, oh, Vishnu also suffering. He did bad karma. for he died. Ramchandra, he killed Sugriv, Bali. Then Bali appeared in the form of Hunter, Jaraved, and they killed Krishna. So they are not. So for this there are two kinds of Vaishnava. One is called Suddha Vaishnava, and is called Viddha Vaishnava. Not Vriddha, not old. Viddha Vaishnava. You read this word. Javadhan Viddha Vaishnava. Viddha Vaishnava means those who are belongs to the Karma Kandi. They are also worship Vishnu. They worship Shiva. They worship Brahma. But all they are thinking, they are the Karma Kandi. So this is the Karma. Or Vaishnava, they are performing fire sacrifice, everything they do. They think Vishnu, who is the supreme, who is the... So this is the... So people, they not understand this, what to do. So Vaishnava doing also Jagga, fire sacrifice and others, that is called not Karma Kanda, that is called Bhakti Kanda. Right? So Karma Kanda and Bhakti Kanda and Jnana Kanda, three spaces. Right? This is the thing. Vedas explain this. Okay, going on. Good.
Shri Ram.